Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Decatur County, northeastern Jennings County, until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:12 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Greensburg, or 18 miles east of Columbus, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Greensburg, Westport, Millhausen, Lex, and Nebraska. This includes Interstate 74 near mile marker 132. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Decatur and Jennings.